G'day folks, taking the drone for a dive. Got a little bit of a flat spell in the weather. The water's pretty clear, so in the last dive I had a big problem with not being able to see the screen, but I've made up my sun screen protector now, so we'll try that out and see how we go. I won't show you too much about setting up the drone because I've done that in other videos. I'll just set it up here on my own, stick it in the water, and see what we can see. This is heaps better. This is so much better. I can see what I'm doing. Let's just try and work this out. It's a little top heavy, but that's okay. Now, yeah, I'm slowly getting the hang of this. I need more tether. Oh, I need to get out of the sun. So we'll just keep going over towards the reef. 2 dives ago I had a big weed problem. I got all my props weeded up, so we don't want to do that again. I should be able to just swim along the edge here. So the drone shouldn't move if I'm not touching the controls. It shouldn't go up or down or forward and back, which is really good. There's often stingrays swimming around the sandy sections. You know what? I've been diving 7 minutes and didn't have it on record. Last time I was recording, for some reason I was recording everything in slow motion, which was a real pain. I fixed it in the editing, but I didn't know what was going on for a while. Oh, what happened there? I'm losing the connection or something. I've got a spinning wheel on my screen and the drone's not responding. It says it's connected, still recording, but I've lost, it says it's connected, but I have a spinning wheel in the middle of my screen. Disconnection. I don't know what that means. Disconnection is on my screen. Disconnection. Why is it disconnection? I don't know what to do about that. I didn't read the manual on what to do when it's underwater and it disconnects. Don't know. It's I don't know. I don't know what to do. It's spinning like it's trying. I'm in a town that's very, very touristy, and the internet is incredibly slow, incredibly impossible. I wonder if that's got anything to do with it. But I'm not hooked up to the internet. I'm hooked up to the Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi is connecting. The Wi-Fi is I'm not the Wi-Fi. I'm hooked up to the the Wi-Fi. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. I don't know if Wi-Fi is part of the internet or whether you can use Wi-Fi without the internet. My drone's, it says it's still recording, but the screen's not moving. The grass is not moving. The weed's not moving, so maybe it's not recording. And my controls don't work. My 3 buttons on my hand control, only 2 of them are lit up. By memory, 3 buttons are supposed to be lit up when it's connected properly. I don't know if I can turn it on and off while it's underwater. Maybe I'll try. I'll turn it off. Well, I don't know if that's a good idea. I'll turn it off. So it's disconnected. I'll check my Wi-Fi. Turn it back on. Scanning for Wi-Fi. I don't know what the drone's doing. It's not floating on the water. Scanning for network, so it's not picking it up right this second. I wonder if it's got the... Now it's connected. Connecting. I wonder if the internet... I don't know. I wonder if the internet's part of the Wi-Fi, or whether the Wi-Fi is something different. Like, can you use Wi-Fi if there's no internet, if you're out of range? It still says it's disconnected on my control, and I have no control. So the app says it's connected. I'm sure you can't see any of this. The app says it's connected, but there's a spinning, it says disconnected inside on the screen. It's got a red NA on the screen, and red NA, and it looks like a card. Disconnected. But anyway, I still can't drive it. What else can I try? I'd stopped recording as well. It's not recording now, so it's not responding. Snapshot failed, it just said on the screen. It says it's connected though. If I just go back out of my app, I know this is not very exciting viewing. It says connected without internet. Connected without internet. Wi-Fi on. Go back into the FiFish app. And now I've got the buttons on my control are different. I had the middle and the right button lit up before, but not the bottom left. Now I have bottom left. Now that was different. I had it on lock, but that's okay. It still doesn't make any difference because it's not working. It says it's connected up the top left, but disconnection in the center. I'm gonna have to pull it in and just have a look. I don't understand. The thing is though, is it hasn't come up to the surface. I really don't know. This is only the 4th time I've used it. The propellers are still propelling. I can feel it. I can feel that it's got that the propellers are. It's like it's still stuck on hover mode. Maybe I've got to turn it off. But it says it's disconnected. Anyway, I'll turn it off. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't understand. I've got weed in one of the props again. I've got some weed guards on order, so I'm looking forward to those coming. I'll try again. I'll try and connect it. I don't know. Maybe if I turn the app off, I'll close the app. I'll try it all from the start again. I've got no camera now. It says it's connected, but there's no... I've got no video camera. I've got no video camera. I've got a black screen like you've got the drone in a dark room. And I can't switch it to video mode. Operation failed. It says it's connected though. Turn it off again. I'll try one more time, and then I'm just gonna go in. It's too hot and glary to be sitting here trying to figure this out. Go back to the app. It says connected. Connect. But I'm back to that black screen. It's just black, like the camera's not working. Snapshot failed. Operation failed. Operation failed, and I cannot switch it to... I can't switch it to video mode. There's buttons here. It says operation failed. I don't know, folks. I'll have to go in and try it another time. Read the manual. Maybe ring the guys. And I'll pack all this up and head home. And I'll clock back in and let you know what the problem was when I sorted it out. The screen now is just black. It says I'm connected, but it's not letting me switch camera mode. It just says operation failed. Try and record or take a photo. It says operation failed. I have all the controls on my screen, like the depth and the position of the drone, and a whole bunch of things. Says NA, ISO NA, camera NA, brightness NA, EV NA, something else NA. Memory stick NA. So maybe it's an internet thing, but I'll let you know. I'll pack it up and we'll go in.